couple of things to note is that sneezing and hiccups are totally normal. They're just a reflex and you don't need to worry about it at all. Another common concern is stuffy noses. It's true, babies do breathe kind of loud and they do sound kind of stuffy. That has to do with the fact that their nasal passages are really narrow because they're so small. As long as they're able to eat and sleep, you probably don't need to worry or do anything about it. If you want to try something, I suggest just running a humidifier because humid air is less irritating to the nasal passages than dry air.